25 plus 75 divided by 25 parenthesis 8 minus 5. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Now we have many are solving in a way like 25 plus 75. This will give 100. And they will write 100 divided by 25, 8 minus 5. And they will go 100 divided by 25, this will give 4 here, and 8 minus 5, this will give here 3. So they will write 4 times 3, which equals to 12. Do you think this is the right answer? Let us check. As we know that we will solve directly with the help of PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here, first preference will be given to this parenthesis part, which is 8 minus 5, and this will give result 3. So we will write 25 plus 75 divided by 25 times 3. Now, as we know that multiplication and division have the same property, but in that case, we have to solve left to right. So, to solve this math problem, we have to go left to right from this. And according to that, first we have to solve this division part. This division will give here 3. 75 divided by 25 will give result 3. So we can write 25 plus 3 times 3. Now multiplication have the higher priority than addition. So we will multiply this. We will write 25 plus 3 times 3. This will be 9. And 25 plus 9, this will give result 34. So right answer is 34, and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.